So I'm told I'm inspirational, and I've only really begun to think about it because I get told it quite a lot actually, and it struck me as odd. I mean, it struck me as odd because I'm a human being and I've never really thought about it, but that's what I'm told.
So this is a question I get asked a lot. What is your channel about? I mean, somebody posted your channel is about doing stuff and giggling like a moron. That's a fair enough comment, I suppose. I'm one of those people who think that if you try, you can do anything at all. Having that attitude, and then an ability to do things with the least tools possible, and a sprinkling of creativity, you don't get unicorns and leprechauns, you get empowerment. And that, to me, is what the channel is about. So somebody said to me, "Nice channel, Rob. Some really good ideas on here, but there seems to be a lot of videos where it's a lot of effort for not very much at all." One thing I do know, if you sit around waiting for the worthwhile idea, actually it's never going to come. You have to follow those ideas, you have to put the work in, you have to give it a go, and you have to fail. And if 9 times out of 10 or 99 times out of 100 and 999 times out of 1,000 you fail, so what? You've learnt so much, and you will hit that 1 out of 1,000 where the idea was worth it. And the problem is, you don't know when you're going to do that, but you do know if you're sitting your quiche to doing nothing, you're never going to get to that worthwhile idea. You have to do all of that stuff where it doesn't seem like there's very much point to it in order to get the worthwhile idea.
Hello everybody. So this is one of the videos which is actually really hard to make, and not because I will struggle to explain some things, but because in this video I need to say goodbye to my friend Robert Murray Smith. So a couple of days ago I get many emails from people which they want to inform me that the Robert is gone. And yeah, this hit me off guard really hard because I was not expecting such a sad news. So Robert, he wasn't just a YouTuber, he was an inspiration to many of us. Through his videos, Robert showed us the joy of creating and learning. He reminded us that you don't need any fancy tools to make something, all you need is some curiosity and courage to do it. Robert inspired people to explore, experiment, and in the end to never give up. Even now, his work and ideas continue to guide us. Thank you, Robert, for sharing your knowledge and passion. We will remember you every time we create, learn, and explore. Rest in peace, my dear friend. Your light will always stay with us.